QR code check-ins will be reinstated at retail and hospitality entry points in New South Wales, and rapid antigen tests will be made free by the state government as testing clinics struggle to cope with Christmas demand. Kenny Heatley is live at State Parliament's testing clinic. Kenny, there's another rush for testing this morning.
There is, Danica, but we have some breaking news in the last 15 seconds or so. New South Wales Health has just released the latest figures for today and 5,715 new cases. This is certainly a big jump from the 3,700 or so that we had yesterday. There's been a bit of an increase in hospitalisations and ICU as well. ICU up 5 from 40 to 45. It's certainly not rising as fast as the cases, and there's certainly no indication that the hospital system can't handle these numbers. But we have seen a jump in testing as well, and that has been expected considering the lines that we're seeing across the state right now. 160,471 tests conducted in a 24-hour period. That's up from 151,000 the day before. So just on that breaking news, New South Wales has recorded 5,715 new cases. It's certainly a big jump in the past 24 hours. I'm on Macquarie Street in the CBD, and this testing line is extensive. It's a couple of 100 metres long, and it was in place over an hour before the testing clinic even arrived. And these are scenes that we're seeing all over the city at the moment as we've got a perfect storm with testing at the moment leading up to Christmas. Let's hear from a few people across these testing clinics in Sydney.
It's not much incentive to go get tested. So yeah, if they open more centres, there'd be a lot more incentive to go out and get it done.
Supposed to be going up the coast and got a bit of a sniffle, and someone I was travelling with said go and get tested, so if it was up to me I probably wouldn't. But
no, I just had a text. I was at a club on Sunday night and someone had COVID on Sunday night, so in the club, so I thought I'd better come and get checked myself.
Now, because of the rising cases in New South Wales as well, the New South Wales government is going to reinstate mandatory QR check-ins for hospitality and retail to assist New South Wales contact tracers. They're holding firm on the mask mandate, though. Recently, Tasmania and the ACT made it mandatory once again for all indoor settings. Well, New South Wales is keeping the current settings that they have at the moment, with masks only in certain high-risk settings like public transport at the airport and on planes. But also have a look at this tweet from New South Wales Health. Heading to an event, visiting elderly family, before you go, use a rapid antigen test as a precaution. A rapid antigen test is a self-test kit that can quickly detect if you have COVID, with results ready in 10 to 15 minutes. That's all well and good in theory, but we called around 10 to 15 places across Sydney and they were all sold out. There is a real struggle to get your hands on rapid antigen testing kits at the moment. In the lead up to Christmas, as people take them as a precaution. Well, the New South Wales government is working on a plan to bulk buy rapid antigen testing kits and make them freely available, and they're considering doing what the UK has done and actually mailing them to everyone's houses so people can take them before they go to large-scale events or family gatherings, or if they have symptoms at home, to alleviate those testing clinics and the massive lines that we're seeing at the moment. Danica.
Kenny Heatley live in Sydney, thank you.